Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Didanis Kirestu Wijaya with student number C2314201059 from the Bachelor of Nursing Study Program, Faculty of Health Science, Muhammadiyah University of Tasikmalaya. Today I will present a procedure called deep breath relaxation technique. This technique is important because it's simple, just effective, and easy to apply both in hospital and in daily life. In this video, you will learn the definition of deep breath relaxation, the benefits, the tool and material, the step of procedure, and the conclusion. I hope this presentation can help you understand and practice deep breathing relaxation properly. Definition: deep breath relaxation is a non-medical relaxation method that involves slow, controlled breathing to calm the mind and body. This technique reduces anxiety, stabilizes blood pressure, and improves the function of the respiratory system. It works stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body return to a relaxed state after stress. Benefit: according to experts, the benefit of deep breath relaxation include improving lung ventilation, maintaining gas exchange, preventing lung atelectasis, collapse of the lung, increasing choking efficiency, reducing both physical and emotional stress. Tools and material. This procedure needs simple materials such as a quiet and comfortable room, a comfortable chair or bed, pillow if necessary, clock or stopwatch, light blanket optional, medical professional or nursing for guidance. Step of procedure. Let's move to the procedure step. 1. Prepare a comfortable place. Make sure the room is quiet and has soft lighting. Positioning the patient. Help the patient sit comfortably or lie down. Use pillow for support if needed. 3. Place hand on the chest and abdomen. This is to help the patient feel the breathing movement. Step of procedure. Let's move to the procedure step. 1. Prepare a comfortable place. Make sure the room is quiet and has soft lighting. Position the patient. Help need patient sit comfortably or lie down. Use pillow for support if needed. 3. Place hand on the chest and abdomen. This is to help the patient feel the breathing movement. 4. Inhale slowly through the nose. Say, breathe in deeply through your nose. Let your abdomen expand. Don't lift your chest. 5. Hold the breath for 3 to 5 seconds. This helps with maximum gas exchange. 6. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Say, exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your stomach deflate. 7. Repeat the process for 5 to 10 minutes. Maintains a breathing rhythm of 5 to 10 breaths per minute. 8. Focus on breathing. Ask the patient to focus and avoid distraction. 9. Monitor the patient condition. Stop if the patient feel dizzy or uncomfortable. 10. End the session slowly. Ask the patient to return to normal breathing and share how they feel. Conclusion. In conclusion, the breath relaxation is a simple, low-cost, and effective technique to reduce anxiety, stabilize blood pressure, and improve breathing function. It can be practiced anywhere, anytime to help manage stress. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this information useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.